Hey everybody, Matty Nelson, Seekins Precision, talking to you today about our Enhanced Builder's Kit. If you have a stripped lower, you're looking to build it out, or if you already have a lower on a rifle and you're looking to enhance its performance and your manipulation of that lower receiver, the Enhanced Builder's Kit is what we make for you guys. It's going to take your shooting and your rifle handling to the next level. The parts and pieces of the Enhanced Builder's Kit, it comes with our ambidextrous safety selector lever. Each selector lever, the barrel comes with a 60 or a 90-degree throw, which allows you your choice of preference for which one you like. It has a short and a long arm, so if you're right or left-handed, you can make it completely user-friendly to fit your form and function and how you shoot. It also comes with our trigger guard. Our enhanced trigger guard has a deeper scoop, so if you have big, large fingers or broke knuckles like I do, or you're shooting in adverse conditions and you have gloves on, it makes manipulation of that trigger more safe and user-friendly, and it's going to enhance your performance and your use of that rifle. It also comes with our enhanced bolt catch. The pad is bigger and it has diamond texture on it, so you can find it quickly, whether your hands are wet, whether you're wearing gloves. It's much easier to use. It's a big paddle. It's easy to find. Makes reloads and loading and unloading of that weapon much faster, and it's just going to enhance your performance all around. We also have our mag button. Comes with the spring and the arm that goes all the way through. Again, it's diamond textured, so it's easy to find. Wet hands, dirty hands, gloves. This texture is easy to get to. It also comes with our fore and rear mounting pins with the springs and detents. It also has the buffer weight spring and detent. So it comes with everything you need to put your lower together or to enhance an existing lower you already have and make that serviceability and its performance that much better for you. If you already have one of these things, you're like, man, I really love to buy one of those things separate, we got you covered. So our safety selector lever, our trigger guard, our enhanced bolt catch, and our mag button are all sold separately. Every part is made right here in the United States at our headquarters here at Seekins Precision in Idaho. They're proudly made in America. We're proud of the stuff that we make. Everything we make is backed by a lifetime guarantee, guys. Check us out online.